In this video, I will show you exactly how to access the special administrative settings on your Chromebook, which many people refer to as the BIOS. To begin, you will need to make sure your Chromebook is turned on and that you have backed up any important files because entering developer mode will wipe your local data as a security measure. Start by holding down the escape key and the refresh key at the same time, and then tap the power button while keeping the other two fingers held down. Your screen will go dark for a moment before displaying a recovery screen that says Chrome OS is missing or damaged. Do not worry, because this is exactly what we want to see to move forward. Next, you will press the Control key and the D key simultaneously to initiate the developer mode transition. The system will ask you to confirm your choice, so just press the Enter key to proceed with the restart. Once the system reboots, you will see a screen with a warning about OS verification being turned off. Simply press Ctrl and D again whenever you see this screen during startup to skip it. Now you have full access to the underlying firmware settings and can modify the system as needed. That's all.